Welcome back to my channel. So today I made a birthday card for my daughter's friend for her birthday. So for the start of the show, I used Celebrate with Cake, and this I got from the sale. And here I used Hair Art Stir. I'm not sure what this was called. Was before I started marking them. I think maybe it was called Sweet Treats. I'm pretty sure. So here I used the birthdays. I used Sweet Birthday Wishes. I used this embossing folder. I used this Boat Bunny birthday. It's not a birthday. I used this Boat Bunny paper pad. This one is called Banner Year, I think it's called. I used this AI art impression stamp. This one is called Age to Perfection. And here I used this cupcake. And I used these scallop rectangle dies. This one is called, I think it was called Scallop Rectangle Dies. I think this was called. And these I think were, because they're pink. I think they're pink and main, I think. Because they're pink. I think these are pink and main, I think, because they're pink. But not, don't correct them. I think that's what I think that they are. But don't, I'm not really sure. And so I'm going to show you what I came up with in the end. Oh yeah, I use these markers here to color with. So this is the card I came up with in the end. And so this is cute. And I use these little candles. And I took them and put these in this embossing folder. And I took the candles. I had 3 of them on top. And I did the inside. And I said Sweet Wishes. And this is the candle. And since they like cupcake, they like chocolate. And so then I did these little cute little, and this is the cupcake I came with the chocolate and little sprinkles. And so I'm gonna like write a little. Well, no, I'm not gonna write a message. I'm gonna say no, I'm not. I'm gonna get this to my daughter so she can write messages. But this is what I do to the inside when I know it's gonna happen. But so this is the card. And then I'm gonna stamp my logo on here in the back. But this is the card I came with in the end. Until next time, like and subscribe. See ya.